Meanwhile, among the myriad of other Labor Day projects across the island, there were a few that sought to address some burning social and environmental issues. We take a look at a few of them in this report. From St. Thomas to Westmoreland, dozens of Labor Day projects, literally too many to mention. However, among them a few notable gestures of kindness. While hospitals in St. Thomas were also ramped up, in Yallas, a group of business operators along with the councillor for the Yallas division pooled resources to fix the house of two mentally challenged senior citizens. Their niece, NADINE BRYANT, explained that the two sisters, ages 70 and 75, have been living in a dilapidated structure for a very long time.
Decades, as long as I can remember. I am really happy for what John Lee has been doing, the improvement on the house, and I'm grateful for the help and the upliftment of this house to fix it up for them so they can live a little more comfortable.
We understand that the structure had no doors or windows and leaked when it rained, but these issues were fixed with the help of hardware stores and other business places in the parish. In St. Elizabeth, a looming environmental disaster was addressed as garbage pileups had become a common sore eye in several communities. However, subsidiaries of Alpart have partnered with the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, seeking to avert possible health hazards by extending a project to install garbage skips in just under 50 of these communities.
Namely, Prospect, Duff House, Cheapside, Morningside, Kinole and New Building. Last year we did 12 such garbage skips and we are doing 7 today. That brings it to the total of 19. We have 45 communities and we want to install garbage skips in the 45 communities in and around Alpart's operating area.
Anti-litter signs were also installed in the parish as well as in Manchester and Clarendon. Regional Operations Manager of the NSWMA, Edward MUIR, says it's an indication that they will be taking a tough stance on littering.
The anti-litter sign is important because we need persons to realize that we are serious and we are now on a campaign to clean our region.
In Manchester, a group of church volunteers have come together in an effort to help an elderly person who had been abandoned at hospital. The senior, Keith Stewart, who is blind, had been discharged from hospital after having one of his legs amputated. But with nowhere to go, the group pooled funds and started construction of a home for him. The project is not yet completed as they have run short on material.